Now, direct and inverse proportion or direct and inverse variation. These two terms are associated with the variables. Variable, you know, any quantity which varies is called a variable. And a quantity which do not vary is called a constant. You know, constant anything. We can have a number of examples for variables. Age of a person, it's a variable varying with respect to time. As time changes, varies, age also varies. For a moving particle, distance travelled by the particle is a variable varying with respect to time. Since the particle is moving, the body is moving. As time changes, advances, this distance travelled also changes. And again, temperature. Temperature is a variable. If a particle is heated, then the temperature increases. Pressure, a variable. Area, it is a variable. How this area is become a variable? For example, consider a circle. This circle, the area of the circle is a variable varying with respect to this radius. As radius changes, the area changes. If radius is increasing, area is increasing. Area decreasing, radius decreasing, or radius decreasing, area decreasing. So area of a circle, it's a variable. Or area of any quantity is a variable. Area of a square, it's a variable with respect to its side. As side changes, area changes. So in that fashion, we can see that there are a number of variables varying with respect to some reason or other. So any quantity which varies is a variable. And this proportion is associated with these variables. So consider two variables. If one variable varies with respect to this other variable, with respect to the other, then this variation can be in two ways. One, direct variation or direct proportion, and two, inverse variation or varying in inverse proportion. Two types of variations. If the two variables, the variation of these two variables satisfy the certain condition, then we say this is direct, or the variation is direct or inverse. Or these two variables are in direct proportion or in inverse proportion. That depends upon this variation, the nature of the variation, or how the two variables are varying. So this variation depends upon the nature of the variation of the variables, or in general the nature of the variables. So we will discuss these variations one by one. First we will discuss the direct variation, or again known as direct proportion, and secondly we will discuss the inverse variation or inverse proportion. Those two can be discussed in the next videos.